Welcome back, AI enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of deep learning with TensorFlow. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will guide you through building your very own deep learning model from scratch. Let's get started. TensorFlow is a powerful open-source library developed by Google that's become a cornerstone in the machine learning community. Its flexibility and comprehensive ecosystem make it ideal for developing and deploying deep learning models. First things first, let's set up our environment. Ensure you have Python installed, then install TensorFlow using pip install TensorFlow. With TensorFlow installed, we can start building our model. Today, we'll create a neural network to classify images from the MNIST dataset, a classic beginner's project. Next, load and pre-process the MNIST dataset, Python copy edit MNIST =tf.keras.datasets.mnist x_train y_train x_test y_test =menist.load_data x_train x_test x_train 255.0, x_test 255.0. Now let's define our neural network architecture. We'll use a simple sequential model with densely connected layers. Python copy edit model =models.sequential layers.flatten input_shape =2828 layers.dense 128 activation uru layers.dropout 0.2 layers.dense 10 activation softmax. Compile the model with an optimizer, loss function, and evaluation metric Python copy edit model. Compile optimizer atom, loss sparse categorical cross entropy, metrics accuracy. Alright, let's train the model with our training data. Simply use the following command model.fit, open parenthesis, x_train, y_train, epochs =5, close parenthesis. Finally, evaluate the model's performance on the test data. Test_loss, test_AC model.evaluate, x_test, y_test, print, test accuracy, test_AXE. And there you have it, a simple yet effective deep learning model built with TensorFlow. This is just the beginning. TensorFlow offers a vast array of tools and resources to explore more complex architectures and applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI content. Have a specific topic in mind? Drop a comment below and we'll deliver a video on it within the next 6 hours. Happy coding! End screen with links to related videos and subscription prompt.